Hey guys, I'm Jacob here with ePoolSupply again. Today, we've got Hayward's Aqua Bug. We're gonna dive into it and see what's inside this box, see if it's right for you. All right, and we're back. So, Hayward's Aqua Bug. It's an above ground pool cleaner. So, it's got two little counterparts, just like it. One's called the Penguin and the other one's called Wand the Whale. Let's see if we can get photos of those up right here and right here. So, different looks, same cleaner, so it's really personal preference. But let's open this box up, see what's inside. All right, user's manuals, something in red, which is the limited warranty. Hayward, Pentair, Zodiac, they're all pretty transparent on their warranties, which is pretty awesome. So they always give you a warranty card, kind of show you what's involved, what's warrantable, what's non-warrantable. Also, their websites are awesome with it. So always log in online, see what the warranties are about before you purchase any cleaner out there. They give you an instruction manual, which is like an 8-step how to install this thing, which one is clean your pool. All right, so first things first, I'm gonna take this big bulky part out so I can show you what's in there. The first thing to look at, you get 10 cleaner hoses. So you get 9 standard hoses and then you get 1 liter hose. The liter hose has the orange tag on it, as you can see here. That's actually what plugs into the cleaner. So make sure that one goes into the cleaner head. It's got a little different cuff on the end of it, that way it slips all the way on there, keeps a better firm grasp on the cleaner. So, now that that's done, I'm getting this off the table so it doesn't take up so much room. Okay, now we have the fun box. So, what we're gonna do is open it on up. They put an extra seal number sticker on the side there. So we're gonna open this guy up, and you're gonna see, that's really creepy, by the way. So the head comes separately, and then the body of the cleaner is right there. So, I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, it kind of just snaps on somehow. Let's see if I'm smarter than the cleaner. Are you smarter than a cleaner? Jacob's gonna break something now. What am I doing wrong, Kyle? Yep, I am not smarter than a cleaner. So, it goes in the front. Yeah, so that's how the head gets installed apparently. And I mean, you can do some cool stuff with his ears, I guess. So yeah, so we have an above ground pool cleaner. It comes with a flow gauge. It comes with a flow meter. So what this does is it actually regulates the flow that goes to the cleaner. So if you have the skimmer cuff, the skimmer cone that goes in the skimmer and this goes in there, then your hoses goes in here. This will actually reduce and increase the amount of flow going to the actual pool cleaner itself. So that way you don't ruin all the guts inside. So, but before you do that, this device is what tests the amount of flow. There's a min and a max line, so you always want to have it float inside there. Very important you set your cleaner up this way, or else you're going to break your cleaner within the first month of having it. So, it comes with those 3 devices. It comes with the head of your cleaner. This creepy little thing. That is so weird. However, the bottom of this thing, this is a Hayward Navigator. I mean, it's the same dang thing. So all it is, it's got the same flaps, it's got the same whole mechanism of parts that are the same. The cool part that I really like about this, that I wish more cleaners had, is this disc around the outside of it. For one, it's not gonna be out loud because it's in the water. But however, if it hits a wall, this cleaner can kind of spin off and it's not gonna get stuck. I think this is a really smart design. I think it's super, super creative, and I don't know why more cleaners don't have something like that. But it is kind of cool. The way that these cleaners are actually designed, I'm gonna dive into it a little bit, just because I can. the way that these clean is it actually, let's put up, I'm gonna put a picture of water here, okay? So what it does is it goes in a circle, and the circle gets bigger and bigger and bigger, and then the cleaner straightens out for a little bit, and then it does another circle. Then it straightens out, and then another circle, and then it straightens out, another circle, straightens out. So it just kind of does circular movements the entire time when it's inside the pool, and there's two different main gears inside here. So one does the quick, and then it opens up, and then it goes, and then it does it again. So it's kind of creative. It's just kind of attacking little zones of your pool at a time. It's not one of those that kind of goes all the way over there, then all the way back, then all the way over here. It's not as randomized. This has more of a unique cleaning pattern to it. So again, this guy's meant for above ground pools. It can be used, I guess, on a gunite pool. I probably wouldn't. I'd probably get a more aggressive cleaner from a gunite pool, strictly because these shoes are very weak on the bottom. They're meant for vinyl. But again, for above ground pool, it'll do the job. It'll keep your pool clean. And yeah, I'm Jacob with ePoolSupply. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Subscribe today if you haven't subscribed. Check out the links below, and we got a lot more content coming your way. Thank you.